Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have here is we have a 79 or an 80 LTD motor with the Mark II head, Mark II design head. And right now it's in a 74 Z1 chassis. When we got it, it had been sitting for a long time. So we did a few things to it, and this is going to be Johnny's first ever Z1 KZ900 project. So what our goal is we're going to take this motor out and put another motor in this chassis that's going to have a close number, and then we're going to offer this LTD engine for sale. So this is the first it's run. No telling what's going to happen here, but we're going to check the transmission, and we're going to see how bad it smokes. It's got all the things done to it, and Johnny will tell you about the oil and all that stuff.
Yeah, this was the first one I've ever really worked on. I had a little bit of help though from our other mechanic, Hilo. But for this one, I just went through the clutch and cleaned all the clutch plates and put new oil filter, made sure it still had the little washer in the oil filter. I learned about that for this one. Then I went through and cleaned the carbs completely. I'm going to put new T's on there because they were leaking. So put a new battery in it, and we're going to hopefully see if it runs here. All new spark plugs too. So let's see.
So now the bike is perfectly cold. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the choke all the way up. The gas is on the Yamaha tank. On this bike. This is small carburetors from a 74 Z1. There goes the head. Runs pretty good, I'm surprised. Alright? Okay, in conclusion here, we don't really know how many miles are on the bike because it's not the original motor for the chassis, but I think I'm coming to the conclusion that it's a good running bike, but it's smoking, and I think that chances are it's going to need a set of rings because it's probably been sitting, or maybe it's getting worn out or whatever. But the crank sounds good, everything sounds good, so I would definitely call this a good motor. Probably run it for a long time like that, but if you want to clear up the smoking, you probably want to go through the valve seals and rings. Okay, I believe this is a 79 LTD motor, I believe. No oil leaks. I didn't check the generator for charging, but we got it running. It smokes a little bit. I don't know if it'll clean out or not. I don't want to say that it will, but I don't want to say it won't either. But we took it out of a Z1 chassis. We're going to put a Z1 motor in this chassis. No broken fins. It's in good shape. And we'll be offering it for sale. Possible low-cost shipping available after the summer starts and all the restrictions are off. The starter motor works. It's all good. Okay, well thanks a lot for looking at it, and we'll be offering it for sale on our webpage. Thanks a lot.